So here's how to fix D3D compatible GPU feature. Level 11 shader model 5 is required to run the engine, which can happen when you're playing video games such as Fortnite. So first what you can do is click on the Windows menu and then search for adjust appearance or adjust the appearance, and then click on this result here, and this should open up this window, which is the performance options. Now you want to click on adjust for best performance, and then you can simply click on apply and OK, and that should change how Windows works. So it will basically remove unnecessary stuff such as animations and stuff like that takes a lot of the performance, which is only for visuals and appearance. Now you can click on apply and OK. So next you want to come back again to the advanced section in here, and then under virtual memory you want to click on the change button. So in here you want to uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drivers. Uncheck it and then select your C drive or the drive where you have Windows installed. Now in here you want to click on set or change it to custom size first. And in here you want to type 1024 for the initial size, and for the maximum size you want to type 1024 multiplied by the number of gigs of RAM you have. So for example, I have 32. So you can calculate this real quick. And then you can simply paste the results in here. Then click the set button and then confirm and click OK. Now you can simply close this. Next, make sure you have the latest GPU driver installed. So for me, I have an NVIDIA GPU. So I'm going to use the NVIDIA app. Now you will need to download it and install it if you have an NVIDIA GPU. So you can type NVIDIA app download and it should take you to this website where you can download it. Now you can open the NVIDIA app. And inside the NVIDIA app, click on the drivers section. And in here you can either click the arrow or it will automatically tell you if there is any updates available for GeForce Game Ready driver. So you will need to download and install them. Now you will simply need to reboot your PC and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.